In this video, we will learn about adding staff to the calendar and setting their roles. Click on the menu and click on Staff Scheduling, which is under the Staff Scheduling category. On the window opened, we can see multiple calendars opened. Every calendar type has a different use. For adding a shift to the calendar, move to the calendar which is in the center of the left pane. In that calendar box, go to the respective calendar record and click on the three dots which will be on the right side of that record. Clicking on three dots will open a new pop-up window, then click on the Add Shift. Clicking on Add Shift will open a new pop-up window. Fill in the required details as asked. Give the required name. Then we have shift type with two options such as on-call, normal. Select the required start date time and end date time. If you want to change the color of the notification, then click on the color and select the required color. Before we check with other options, let's get back to shift type and select the required type by setting roles. First, let's select shift type as on-call and then scroll to the bottom of the window and then select the required staff members, and to the right of every staff selected we have an option of on-call type drop-down. Under this drop-down from the options primary, secondary, escalation, we can assign a separate role to the selected staff. In case, if we choose option normal for shift type, then the staff selected will remain the same, but we will not have an option of assigning a role. Let's again select the on-call shift type and assign separate roles to the selected staff. Now we have the option of selecting the Reoccur option. Selecting this will give us the option of recurring the respective schedules for multiple days or times. Selecting this option will give us 4 more options, which are daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. This means we can reschedule the respective schedule on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. Now let us try with daily. Select the option daily. Now select every day and give 2. This will make the staff reschedule for every 2 days. Let's select no end date. This will make the staff reschedule without any end date. Cross-check the staff selected in the roles assigned and click on Save tab. Once we see the pop-up notification shift saved successfully, which means the shift has been saved successfully and will be sent on the set date and time. We can cross-check the submission by selecting the same calendar record, then the shift set will be displayed on the selected date.